Samaya at school. So now we are trying to get home safely so we can finish getting Kivea. And where are you going? You're going to the bar? You're going to the bar, not to the street. Oh, God. Anyways, we have to go home, and after we drop off Samaya at school, we go home. We do, bless you, Kivea. I do Kivea and Tizani's hair. Bless you again. Do you need tissue?
No.
And then they're wearing shorts, which they have been because it's summer. I will lotion them up, arms, legs, face, so they don't get all ashy. Every day they get a little lotion massage before they go to school. But, goodness gracious, what a morning to wake up to. Seriously. It is just horrible.
It's raining.
And then I had to get out of the car and take Samaya inside. I think this is the first time it's rained like this since school has started. It has rained, but not so hardcore. I'm sure Kareem is going to get to work, drive all the way there, and then have to straight come back home, which I don't mind, but still. Good evening, Sassy Beans. We just got new word from the news station that they are canceling school tomorrow, which is their picture day. We were gonna vlog the whole thing of them getting ready and everything like that. So I guess in this video, I'm going to add some of the action we get from Tropical Storm Imelda, something like that. I don't know. It's been pouring down raining non-stop since I took Samaya to school and dropped her off. It is still raining right now. And it's not raining hardcore, but I'm sure it will be later. Yes, I look a hot mess because it's 7 o'clock and I'm exhausted. And the news says that it should be raining for the next 3 to 4 days. So hopefully they do not cancel school for the whole rest of the week, because that just be hard for me. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now. This is just a little bit of rain we have, and it does flood pretty badly over here, and it starts on the sides of the curves and then it fills up. When Hurricane Harvey came, the water, the whole neighborhood was flooded almost, and we had 19 people in our house. Our neighbors next door to us on this side, because they have a one-story, they came in, we gave them one of our rooms, and it was a fight night. So the water came up to right here of the garage. Luckily, it did not come in from the front or the backyard. Hurricane Harvey started as Tropical Storm Harvey, and now everybody is thinking that this is the same thing. Tropical Storm Imelda is going to turn into a hurricane. So the girls have been canceled for school. Kareem has already been texted and said not to come in because there'll be a rain out. The wind's picking up. We'll probably be going to bed soon because I am extremely tired. I've been going. I did take a nap, however, till 1 o'clock. But I had to get a few little bit more touches for the girls' picture days, just in case they did take away the cancellation for school tomorrow. I got them their head thing for their hair and then a choker that goes with it. The girls are all upset because they want to go to school, especially because it's picture day. Jeanette, however, is the only one that doesn't want to go to school. But after I get done videoing this, I'm going to go put Kivea and Tawny to bed. Tawny's already fell asleep. But I'm gonna read to Kuvea, and then myself is gonna go to bed. I'm exhausted. I look exhausted. I am tired. Who knows what's gonna happen? And if it gets worse in the middle of the night, I'll probably through it, because I sleep with earplugs because Cream snores and snores very loud. Good morning, Sassy Beans. Right now it is 6:30. However, I have been awake since 5:30. And since I've been awake, it's been raining. This glares. When I touched base with y'all last night, and right when I got done, I went straight to bed. So it's still pouring down raining. I don't think it stopped. And I think the hay that we bought to go around our tree out front for decorating for fall, which I was going to do today. There was some lightning. Bring everything out of the attic and pull our fall stuff out and our Halloween stuff. Put our Halloween stuff and fall up, because our Halloween stuff should go up now, but the fall stuff can stay till November. So, you know. But I'm going to show you what it's doing. That's thunder. I'm just going to show you what it's doing right now. Right now it is 8 o'clock in the morning. Yes, I have already did like another video this morning showing the weather and everything, which I don't know if I'll put that before this or after this, but right now I'm about to brush my teeth and wash my face and put my contacts in. Kuvea and Tazani are already awake, and I'm most certainly sure Samaya is awake. So after I do that, I'm going to make them some breakfast. And I've already explained that last night we got the phone call and the email for no school today, Wednesday. And I was gonna make a whole video with the going dress shopping for Kuvea and Tazani's picture day, which is today, Wednesday. Their fall pictures. In this vlog, I'm just going to do, you know, staying in on a rainy day. But I'm just so besides myself. I know for sure today I have to go to the garden nursery and see if I can get like 2 or 3 layers of sod grass so I can put it in the garage so Zena can go inside to the garage to use the bathroom. I know if it's dead grass, they give it to you for free, but I don't care if it's dead or not. She will not go outside if it's raining to use the bathroom, so I just need some grass, and I'm sure she won't use a puppy pad. And I'm pretty sure the grass would be cheaper than a pack of puppy pads that she won't use. So even though it's pouring down raining, I'm still gonna go and try to get at least 3 or 4 to make a little square for her part of grass inside of our garage. But I'm gonna do my face and brush teeth, contacts, and all that. But before I do that, I want to show you what's in my bed, how we slept last night, me and Kareem. So comfy in the bed. Yes, she is. So anyways, That's how we slept last night, because she does not like lightning and thundering. So, yeah. And I look a mess. I'm gonna shower in a bit, but first I need to do this and then feed my kids. Bye then. I'm going to get the grass, and apparently I have a leak from there and the windows, because it literally looks like I left the window open in my car while it rained. It's all wet, everything, and it smells like mold in my car. And just a little bit on Jeanette's side, but you can tell there is an actual puddle. That's ridiculous. And it rained all day yesterday and all night. Just great. Two of these. I'm trying to find out what they are. I guess there's not one in there, but not one in there either. What is going on? They usually have the sticks in there to tell you what they are. Okay, see. This one right here is a gold lace sun coleus full sun annual, which they're 70% off, so they were $3.99 each, which it needs 6 plus hours of direct sun. But the reason they're 70% off is our fall and winter is here. So I'm going to have to take really good care of these and cover them when it is freezing outside. And this one where it was grown, because on the other one, it doesn't say nothing. I don't remember what these were called, but they're pretty and they're going to go on our front flower bed. So I got 2 of these and 2 of these. Alright, you guys. It's finally stopped raining enough to do something about this boring flower bed. Yeah, we have the hibiscus, and then we have, they're white. They start with a P. Look like white roses. But they only very seldomly bloom. And when they do, the sun's always shining right here that they burn. So I'm just gonna put these 4 plants in here. Look at this. And I forgot to take my ring off. Alright. So, this is what I got done. Just 4 tiny plants. Even though they're tiny, they make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Good night.